Incheon Transon CNC Equipment Company, Limited, found in 2010 in Incheon, China, is an integrated CNC machines manufacturer and exporter. Our main products include fiber laser cutting machine, fiber laser marking machine, CO2 laser marking machine, CO2 laser engraving cutting machine, CNC router and CNC plasma cutter. They are widely used in industry of woodworking, advertising, decoration, arts and crafts, electronics industries, etc. Every year Transon attend different trade fairs all the world and went to visit customers face by face to reach better cooperation. With the ability of research, design and manufacture, Transon not only produce our own machines. We also do ODM and OEM service with reliable quality, reasonable price and good after-sales service. After 10 years growth, Transon annual output keeps steadily grow. Our machines have sold to more than 100 countries. We welcome more worldwide customer. Contact us today.